and welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Today I am gonna be unboxing our Boxycharm Premium box for the month of March. Now, if you have been living under a rock for the past couple weeks, you may not know this, but Boxycharm for the premium box did a collaboration with Fenty Beauty, and that is why I am so hyped right now. So this entire box is gonna have Fenty Beauty products. I also have not done a try-on box in a while, and you guys have been really requesting that I start doing that again. So I figured for today's box, I would unbox all the products for you guys, show you guys what's in here, and at the very end, in case you guys want to stick around for that, I will be trying on everything and doing a look with it. So that is going to be the chain of events for today's video. Let's do this. So Boxycharm Premium, I've already cut the little tape, is a $35 a month subscription box. Ooh, I can already see that. Look at that. Fenty Beauty. So it's $10 a month more than the base box. That one's $25, but this one you are supposed to get 6 to 7 full-sized items, and it's supposed to always have $175 and up in the value. So here we have the card for this month. As you guys can see, it's just Boxycharm x Fenty Beauty, and then on the back it has all the products as usual that I got inside, prices, all that good stuff. So looking in here, I got 6 products, and the first one I see here is the Matchsticks Shimmer Skin Sticks. This one retails for $25. And the shade in which I got is Rum. It is very shimmery, very bronzy. It looks very pretty. I am, however, not gonna swatch it. I do wanna save this one to give away to someone else just because I think it's a little bit too bronzy for me. It's meant to be a like highlight, a blush. I've even seen some use it as a bronzer or like a little bit of a shimmery contour. So I'm gonna save this for someone else. I do have a shimmer sticks already. This one is in cinnamon, so I'll just kind of show you guys this one. It looks kind of similar. I mean, it's definitely a different tone. The other one looks a little bit more golden, and this one's a little bit more of a copper bronze. But it's the same kind of shimmer that the other sticks has. So hopefully you guys understand. I'm gonna leave this one untouched to give away because I actually don't use the shimmer sticks all that much. I use it on occasion. This one is a little bit too bronzy for me, which is how I feel like the other one is gonna be also. But that's the only product that I'm not gonna be actually testing, the actual one I got. I promise all the other ones at the end I will be trying on. All right, then let's go ahead and move on to item number 2. We have the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. This one retails for $18. I got the shade PMS, and I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little FB printed at the top of the lipstick. That's a really cute detail. Let's swatch this. Oh wow, this is vampy. Look at that. Oh, that looks so pretty. Yes, that color looks beautiful. I would wear that in a heartbeat. I'm gonna put that on in just a bit. Then rolling on to item number 3. Oh, we got another lip product. We got the Gloss Bomb. I'm so excited. This is the Universal Lip Luminizer, retailing for $19. I got the shade Diamond Milk, which is of the clear variety. I've heard so many people raving about the Gloss Bomb though. I had been planning to go and pick it up very soon, so this is perfect timing because everybody's like, the Gloss Bomb is the best. You gotta try the Gloss Bomb, and I'm like, I hear ya, I'm gonna go get it. Oh, it's scented. Oh, that smells so sweet. I can't quite pinpoint the scent, but oh my gosh, it smells super sweet. I put it right underneath the Mademoiselle, oh there you go, lipstick. It's clear, it's shimmery, it's got some sparkles in it. Got some good stuff so far, got some good stuff, but now moving on to product number 4, we got the Invisimatte. This is her blotting paper. I am actually really oily, and I do have a very high need for blotting paper, so I could definitely see myself using this. So here's the blotting sheets, there's the little component. You plop it in here. So yeah, then whenever you're ready to need some blotting paper, you just pull it out like that. I'm not gonna do it now because I'm gonna save this. And then you just slap it down like that and you get the tiny mirror on the side here. I mean, it's kind of small. Don't really get to see a whole lot, but if you're in a pinch and you're sitting in class or something, you're sitting at work at the desk and you just need to go like real quick, I mean, it'll do its job. So I'll keep that in rotation between my purse and my backpack. Then item number 15, we got a kilowatt highlighter, retailing for $36. We got the iconic Trophy Wife highlighter. This is the bright gold highlighter that everybody was talking about when Fenty Beauty first came out. I mean, she made this highlighter so well known. Let me swatch this. Let me swatch this for you guys. Put it next to the Gloss Bomb. So I got the Trophy Wife highlighter right down on the end there. I think the Trophy Wife highlighter was supposed to be in every single box. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you guys got a different highlighter, let me know. But I think this one was supposed to be in every single box. Then I saved the best for last. I got, for the 6th item, the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. Oh man, look at that packaging. That's really pretty. And then here are the shades inside of here. And I actually thought there was a misprint here on the pamphlet because I was like, there's no way they're saying that this palette is $29. That's what they have it labeled as. I double checked it and I was like, oh yeah, it is actually $59, but it's on sale for $29 and they're actually putting that the palette is on sale on the pamphlet. I think that's really cool. They're kind of keeping it very up to date with what is online. But this palette looks really good. I'm excited to test out the Fenty Beauty formula since I haven't tried it out before. Let's do some quick swatches here. That way we can see the colors super fast. Because it looks like it's a mix of some mattes and some shimmers and maybe some metallics. Let's find out. All right, here you go. The entire palette swatched out and there were 16 shades inside of here. There were 6 that were matte and the other 10 are gonna be of the shimmery / metallic formula. And now that was the last item inside of our premium box. So you know what that means. We're gonna start trying on all this makeup. We got 6 products here. Let's do this. All right, there is one product I'm not gonna be able to try out and that's this blotting paper. I'm not oily at the moment and I'm definitely gonna save this for when I am. I mean, you guys know how blotting paper works. You just pull it out, dab, dab, dab. You're good to go. But let's try these 2 lip products here. I think I'm gonna layer them. So we're gonna go in with the Mademoiselle in PMS. Oh, I actually have a lip color on. Let me wipe that off. Every time, it does not fail when I'm putting on a vampy lip and I put on the top one, I always think of a mustache. I always look in the mirror and I go, ho, 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 hello. Wow, that is a really pretty vampy shade. Very rich in pigment too. Nice even coverage. I could do this lip color, just throw on a little lash and call it a day, but we got more products to try on. Next, we got the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, but I'm gonna pop a little bit of the, what are you called? Diamond Milk onto this. Transform it. Wow, I thought I liked it on its own, but with that on top, that is really pretty. Ooh, let's do this. Let's move on to the palette. Let's try this out. Now, I want to keep this vampy eyeshadow look, so let's think. What could we do to keep the look? I tend to gravitate a little bit more towards the warmer colors usually, so I think I want to go in this region here. Let's experiment today. Let's do it. I'm feeling daring. How about you guys? You know what? I really want to try out this gray, so we're just gonna go straight into this one. We're going into that gray shade, and we're gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna start with taking it on my Luxie 121 mini taper and just start blending that shade into the crease. Oh, hold on. Oh, I see a teensy bit of fallout here on the edges. So I'm gonna take precaution here. I'm gonna take a little bit of my powder and create a safety net. Back at it with this great eyeshadow. And let's also take that shade underneath the lower lash line. So I'm gonna switch over my Sigma E55 and just run that all the way along the lower lash line while we're at it. All right, then let's go for something to really deepen things up out here. I did drag the gray out a little bit far into the outer corner here, but I think I'm also gonna take this brown shade right down here and just kind of help intensify things a little bit more. I'm just gonna start popping this onto the outer V area. I'm trying to be very delicate where I place this. I think I took the wrong brush to do this. I took my Sephora crease brush, but I think I want, do I want this one? This guy, the Makeup Geek pointed crease brush. It's a little bit smaller, a little bit more detail oriented. Yeah, that works better. All right, and then once that's on, I blended it to the best of my ability without going up too high. I'm gonna take that brush I was using before with that gray shade, dip in very lightly to a little bit more of that color and just help run that along the edges. Teensy bit more of that brown shade just right underneath on the lower lash line. This is a really fun looking look. Okay, what do I want to do next? Got some other dark shimmery shades. I got a blue shimmer that I kind of want to dip into. I don't know if that's going to be too much. That might be a little bit too much. Let's go for that one. Okay, so let's take this shimmery shade right in here. It's like a dark purple. That's what it looks like to me. I'm going to tap off my finger and then I'm going to press that on the lid. And I'm gonna avoid the inner corner of the eye because I'm gonna place something a little bit lighter there. Now this look right here is definitely not for the faint of heart. It is definitely quite an interesting out there look. I'm just gonna take a little brush here and just clean up the edges here. Last but not least, let's take a little pencil brush or a mini round. I'm gonna take the Luxie 141 mini round and I'm gonna go into this white icy looking shade and pop that in this inner corner. All right, and I think that's where I'm gonna end it. I think I'm gonna have to say no more, no more eyeshadow. Let me quickly off camera here whisk away this bake, put on some mascara and some lashes, and I'll be right back. Lashes, mascara is on. Wow, this look definitely turned out a little bit on the dramatic side, but I don't mind. All right, I just have one more product to test out, and that is the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife Highlighter. I'm a little bit nervous putting this on with this very bold look I've got going on, but you know what, we're gonna go for it. I may just go light-handed and do it for you guys, and do it for you. Here we go. I may have put a little bit too much on this side. You can kind of see a lot of gold. I think I'm gonna try a little bit more subtle on this side. Let's see if I can do it. Still pretty gold. I mean, it's not like it's a huge streak of gold, but you can see it when you tilt your head into the light, that it is pretty gold. But that was the last one that I had to try on, so let's recap here. That was the whole box. Let's see. So these are all 6 of the items we got in the Boxycharm Premium X Fenty Beauty Box. And looking into our, I almost said revenue. I've been watching a lot of Shark Tank today. Wow. Looking under a value of the box, they estimate each box is supposed to be $175 and above in the value. I'm wondering if we're gonna hit it this time. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys two values since the Moroccan Spice palette is on sale. They did list it as the sale price on this little pamphlet here. With that price, we get a value of $143 in the value, which is definitely way under what they claim the boxes are supposed to have. If we boost it up with that extra 30 bucks, we definitely get a whole lot closer with $173 in the value. $2 shy of that expected value. Honestly, that value is kind of surprising to me because they usually are always way above and beyond their actual like set value. It's kind of surprising for this box, but I am not really mad at it because it was a full-on Fenty Beauty box, which for me had me so excited about this premium box. I mean, this is the most exciting box I've gotten in a while, so I am not really mad at it. I'm not really gonna complain about the value because I really wanted this box. I mean, it was a really good box that was definitely really worth it, I think at least. I mean, I have to say that my favorite items from this Fenty Beauty box right away is the two lip products, the lipstick and the lip gloss. I mean, I've worn the lipstick and the lip gloss for a little while now and they look beautiful. And the eyeshadow palette, I mean, I haven't tried out much from it. I tried out a couple shades, I know. But so far, I am liking what I have tried. So I think these three would be my favorite from this box for sure. That's where I'm gonna be wrapping up today's video. I definitely wanna hear from you guys down below what your thoughts were on this month's box. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.